All right, we are finished with Module 1 and it's time to review everything that we covered. And what we have done is we have created an awesome review assignment, and I've created videos for each one of them to make sure that you still understand everything that we've covered in this module. Okay, so don't forget the announcements. Hey, and then today we're going to do the EOG review, and then tomorrow the check-in is officially due. We're going to start doing the check-in tomorrow, and don't forget you'll get 2 chances at that. But today is your chance to review. Before this period is over, you should know everything that we covered this last couple weeks. So make sure that you watch the videos. When you go to the EOG review, there is a great video that explains how it's done. And then throughout the EOG review, you will see that there is a video to do. So when you do the questions first, and then watch the video to see if you did them correctly. So this is your chance to check yourself before you get to do the actual check-in tomorrow. Don't forget about all these um, things that we have lining up here over the last couple of weeks, and make sure that you ask the questions that you have, and don't forget I will gladly meet you in office hours. Have a great review day.